welcome to my channel. And guess what? I went to Target again because there were some deals that I didn't want to pass up. There is a bonus that is going on that ends this weekend and I know I will not be making it, so I wanted to get the bonus and get a lot of repeat deals, and I also did a lot more deals than I did last time. So I'm here to show you guys my Target Ibotta haul. Now with my bonus, I needed to get 11 more rebates to get a $2 bonus. I didn't finish level 4 because I needed to get 25 rebates, but I was happy I got the bonus. So I'm here to share with you guys what I got. So the first deal we got is the Aussie Curls shampoo and conditioner. These were $2.99 regular price. You guys want to use a 2 off of 2 coupon if you guys have that. You guys will end up paying, I didn't even write what you guys would end up paying. I think you guys would pay $3.98 for these, but then you can submit a $1 rebate for the conditioner, and you guys can submit a $1 or shampoo $1 rebate for the shampoo. So these come out to be just 99 cents a piece, which I actually like Aussie. I like the way it smells. So this will definitely be one of the products I'll be using in the near future to try because I curl my hair and why not? I did the Kavita deal again because the husband's like, I want to get more of those, and I'm like, I know you do. Sorry, there's like hair all over the place. So I got the Kavita sparkling probiotic drink, and then I also got the Kavita Master Brew Kombucha. So these were both $2.99. There is a 30% off deal on Cartwheel. You guys will end up paying $2.09 a piece for these, but then you guys can submit a $1.15 rebate on Ibotta, making the final price for these just 94 cents a piece, which I think is a great deal. My husband is really starting to like all these random drinks that I've been getting him, plus he doesn't drink energy drinks, so I'm excited for him to drink those. And then I got the Suja Kombucha. So this one has a hard time when you scan the coupon. It never works for it, but it said the coupon does say any product. So this was $2.50 on sale. You guys want to use a $1 off coupon from mambosprouts.com. You guys would just pay $1.50 for this, but then you guys can submit a 75-cent rebate on Ibotta, making this 75 cents, which is a pretty good deal. And then we got the Suja juice. Now, like I said, this is a better deal to do at Walmart right now, but I just did it anyways. So this was $3.49. There is a 15% off deal on Cartwheel. You guys also want to use that $1 off coupon from mambosprouts.com. You guys would just pay $1.96 for this, but then you can submit a 95-cent rebate on Ibotta, making this for $1.01. From $3.49 to $1.01. I think that is a great deal. So the husband is super excited that I got him some drinks. I did the women's razor deal again. I could not pass this up. These were $5.99. I used that $3 off coupon. You guys would end up paying $5.98 for this, but then you guys will get a $5 gift card back for buying 2. Plus, you guys can submit a $1 rebate and a $1 rebate on Ibotta, making this a $1.02 moneymaker. Now, I did do 2 separate transactions because I did it for the men's razors also. So definitely do this deal. 2 separate transactions with those 2 $3 off coupons, because the coupons only let you guys use 2 per transaction. So couldn't go wrong with a $1.02 moneymaker. I ended up getting these Teddy Grahams. Now these were $1 a piece. You guys would pay $2. That coupon that we have does not count for these because these are too small. So you guys would just pay $2, but then you can submit $1 on checkout 51, making them just 50 cents a piece, which I think is a great deal, and these are great snacks to bring on the road. I did the Mentos deal. Now when I did my breakdown on Monday, my checkout 51 had $2. After I submitted my receipt, it changed it to $1.50. It reset today, and now it's at $1.50. So these Mentos are $4.99. There is a 50% off deal on Cartwheel. You guys would end up paying $2.49 for one of these, but then you guys can submit a $1.50 rebate on checkout 51, making it just 99 cents, which I think is a great, great deal. The store I went to had 4 of them, so I bought 4 of them. The husband is one happy boy. All of his coworkers are excited because he's been sharing them at work. So there you go, Graham. I got you more treats because I'm a lovely wife that gets my husband treats. I did the Red Vine deal again. These were $1. You guys would pay $1, but then you can submit a 50-cent rebate on Ibotta, making it just 50 cents, which is a great deal, and I could not pass this deal up, so I got 3 of them for 50 cents a piece. I did the Sour Punch deal again because why not? Why not? These were also $1. There is a 20% off deal on Cartwheel. You guys would just pay 80 cents, but then you guys can submit a 55-cent rebate on Ibotta, making these just, I think, a quarter. I don't remember. Why did I write? I think it was 30 cents or a quarter. I can't remember. I didn't do my math correctly on here, but could not go wrong with these, and the husband is, again, a happy guy. I ended up doing the Clean & Clear deal. Now, I had those $1 off coupons. Now, those coupons, it's only 1 coupon per person or per transaction. I had some coupons for $1 off that I printed off the Healthy Essentials website a while ago. They're actually expiring today, so I'm glad I had them. So these were, I got the Clean & Clear Essentials Deep Cleaning Astringent, Essentials Deep Cleaning Toner, and then I got the Essentials Foaming Facial Cleanser. So 3 different kinds to try. These each were $4.29. I used 2 of the paper printed coupons and 1 of the newspaper coupons. I paid $9.87 after the 3 coupons. Plus, you guys will get a $5 gift card for buying 3 of them. And you guys can submit a $2 rebate times 3 on Ibotta. This ended up becoming a $1.13 moneymaker. So definitely do that deal if you guys like this. I wanted to do it in the Neutrogena deal, but I didn't have any coupons, and those coupons you can only use 1 per transaction too. So definitely do that. Otherwise, you can do the face mask also. You can buy 1 face mask and get that absolutely free. So it's just up to you guys what you guys want to do. I just could not pass up that deal. So I also did, now this is going to be different. Now when I went to a different Target, my store didn't have this marked, but this Target did, and I did the deal, and the gift card did not work. Pull-ups. These are $8.99. There is a tag on them that says if you buy 2, you get a $10 gift card. So I bought these pull-ups and I bought some nighttime pull-ups. So I had 2 printed off coupons from coupons.com for $2 off. So for both of these, you guys would use 2 of those coupons. You guys would pay $13.98. But then you guys get a $10 gift card, making it just $3.98 or $1.99 a piece, which I could not pass up. The gift card did not work, so I went to the service desk and I showed it to them because I always take pictures to show you guys deals. So I showed it to them, and she said, okay, they're going to take that tag down. So if your guys' store still has it, go for it and make sure you take a picture. But I could not pass this up, because I'm hoping Ben goes into pull-ups soon instead of diapers. The diapers are getting a little too small for him. So, yeah, about that. So that was my haul. I think I did pretty good. A lot of it were repeaters, but a lot of them were deals that I wanted to do to show you guys some other deals. Between 2 transactions, my total came to $66.68 out of pocket. Now, I did roll my gift cards. So what I do is when I get a $5 gift card or whatever, I roll it into the next transaction. So I didn't truly pay out of that. I roll my gift cards. But it ended up being $66.68. I got between all the things I got, I ended up getting $25 of gift cards. That was 10 for the pull-ups, 5 and 5 for the razors, and then 5 for the clean and clear. I ended up getting $23 back with Ibotta, which is super awesome. $7 back with Checkout 51. That was because of the Teddy Grahams and the Mentos. And then I hit that $2 bonus for Ibotta. So everything came down to $9.68, which is awesome. I got 28 items, and if you guys add everything together, that just comes out to be 34 cents a piece, which I think is awesome. Here, I'll open it for you. Ben, don't use your teeth. But yeah, 34 cents for 28 items, under 10 bucks for all this stuff. You can't even get a pack of diapers, really. I mean, you can, but it's hard to get a pack of diapers for 10 bucks. So that is awesome. But if you guys enjoyed my second Target haul, please give this video a thumbs up so I know you guys enjoy it, and I will see you Monday for another Target haul. See you guys later. Bye-bye.